Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Truly Delish. Today I'm sharing a healthy fruit chia smoothie with you all. This smoothie can be a perfect breakfast to kickstart your day as it is loaded with healthy fats, antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids and high in protein. This has no added sugar. So let's begin with the recipe. 1 organic apple cut into pieces. 10 to 12 organic blueberries, 6 to 8 organic strawberries, half tablespoon organic chia seeds, 1 teaspoon organic almond butter. You can use any healthy fat of your choice. 1 tablespoon organic ground flax seeds, 2 tablespoon organic plain yogurt, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla essence. This adds very good flavor to the smoothie. 1 cup organic whole milk. Now cover the blender jar with the lid and blend it to a thick, creamy smoothie. And there you go. Our tasty, healthy, protein-packed, quick smoothie is ready. Enjoy it with your family and friends. Even kids will love this. The healthy fats in the smoothie will keep you fuller till lunch. Top it with some nuts of your choice. I'm using pumpkin seeds and walnuts. I'm also using granolas here. You can check out the recipe of granola on my channel. I'll leave the link in the description box below. If you like my recipe, then subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to get the notification of my latest videos. Thank you for watching.